welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated PERRIE's makeup and hair look from the new bounce back video from Little Mix. This is the look that PERRIE is wearing. I absolutely love this. I feel like it's quite like 80s vibes with the blue and the pink and the yellow. I don't know, I really enjoy doing it. And this is the hair. Obviously PERRIE has really long hair in the video. She's got like a ponytail extension. I don't have that, so I just improvise with the short hair that I do have. One thing I will quickly say before I start the video, I did already start off by doing my foundation, concealer, set my face, and I started off with my eyebrows. So I basically just done my whole base. So yeah, if you would like to see this tutorial, then just keep watching. Look, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think doing makeup video recreations are like my favourite videos to do. I really enjoy just messing around with different makeup and hairstyles. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.